Hey everyone, welcome back to Beginner's Guide. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our tips and tutorials. Today, I'm going to show you a brand new way to find Amazon promo codes in 2025 so you can save money on your favorite products effortlessly. The first step is super simple. Head over to couponfollow.com. Make sure you type it exactly like that. Once you're on the site, look at the search bar in the top right corner. Here, type in Amazon and hit search. You'll see Amazon.com pop up. Click on it and you'll be taken to a page full of all the latest Amazon promo codes. Now, you can scroll through and pick the deal you like. For example, if you see a 50% off Amazon outlet promo, click on show coupon and the code will appear. Just copy the code, head over to Amazon and apply it at checkout. You could get $10 off, 50% off, or even more depending on the promo. And that's it. That's how easy it is to find Amazon promo codes and save money in 2025. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to Beginner's Guide for more tips that help you shop smarter and save more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.